Hey, good people. Welcome back. This is Arthur Morris. I hope that all is going well with you today. In this video, we're going to look at exponential functions. So we'll get an introduction of exponential functions. So an exponential function is a function f with base b, and as you can see, it's shown if f of x equals b to the power of x, or y equals b to the power of x, where b is a positive constant other than 1. So it's greater than 0, but it cannot equal 1, and x is any real number. All right, so you see some examples of the exponential functions. F of x equals base 2 to the power of x, or base 10 to the power of x, or even base 3 to the power of x plus 1. Or even base 1/2, because it is greater than 0, to the power of x minus 1. So those are exponential functions. So let's look at a few approximations in this video, just calculator approximations, and you can practice on these and make sure that you're able to approximate these exponential functions in your calculator. Of course, there'll be different sequences to type in your calculator, so you may have to play with it a little bit to figure it out. All right, so approximate and round to 3 decimal places. So 3 base 3 to the power of the square root of 5. So if I approximate that in my calculator, then I come up with about 11.665, rounding to 3 decimal places. So approximately 11.665. What about e to the power of 2/3? Well, it's important to know that e does represent a number, and the power e, or the base e itself, to the power of 1 is approximately 2.718. You should have an e button in your calculator to where you can calculate these. You have a scientific calculator. So e to the power of 2.3 is about 9.974. Okay, and then the final one here that we have is e to the power of negative 0.95. So make sure you find that e function in your calculator. And you should come up with about 0.387. All right. So that's it for this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a good one.